This is Jeff with Acceleronics. I have another customer return VersaFueler. This VersaFueler was purchased used by the customer and it didn't work. The customer got in contact with me and I said, send it to me and I'll see if I can fix it for you. The customer in this case is Blue Ridge Auto Repair. Maybe you recognize your harness that you sent with the VersaFueler. It was badly wounded, no doubt about it. Only one of the 8 channels worked, but I took it apart, did a repair on it, and now I'm going to show you that all 8 channels are working as they should. The way this works is I have a switch box that lets me switch a single signal source to go to each of the 8 channels, and then I've got a second switch for the outputs that switches the output of the channel that's being driven through an injector, and you'll hear that running. There is an oscilloscope over here that will show me the current that's flowing through the injector. There's a characteristic pattern that I see when this VersaFueler is working correctly, and I expect to see it on all 8 channels, so let's give it a go. Channel number 1, input and output switched. So here the injector is off. Here is the peak current of 4 amps. It almost immediately, well, as soon as it reaches 4 amps, it drops back to the hold current of 1 amp, and it continues to hold the injector open with 1 amp of current until the computer, or in my case this function generator, tells the injector to close. And there you can see the injector's closed. That is 0 volts. So channel 1 is working. So I'll switch the input to 2, output to 2. That is working. Input to 3, output to 3. That is working. Input to 4, output to 4. That's working. Input to 5, output to 5. That's working. Input to 6, output to 6. Okay, you have to switch them both or you don't see anything. Note to self. Input to 7, output to 7, and input to 8, output to 8. So all 8 channels are working. I am going to put this in a shipping carton and send it back to you. Thanks for watching.